Hello, bear.
Oh, that turned it. I don't know if we could see it anyway.
Oh.
Not really.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Morning. Cheers. Love you.
Cheers, everybody. Good morning. Hello. Live. Instead of dead. From St. Patty's Pad.
St. Patty's Pad.
Oh.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, if you're down here in the wash in between the bushes.
Got this protecting us from the wind.
So, yeah, the Palo Verde is a good windbreak.
It's crazy.
We came out, set up the chair, set up the camera, everything was great. We go in, get our coffee, come out, and it's going
How's it going?
blowing. Like dang wind.
Hey, you know the best thing about wind when you're boondocking? The very best thing.
No.
You never know when a free lawn chair might just roll by.
This is true. Actually, not out here because there's no one else. I guess we chased off the little trailer people.
And we chased everybody off. Dave left, they left.
Dave was only here for a couple days, so we didn't chase him off. We begged him to try and stay, but you know, he's got to have his hot tub and his pool.
Dang, what's wrong with us?
I guess. We've been boondocking too long, we're reeking.
Woo!
No, just kidding. Just kidding. Thank you so much for being here and watching and being goofy with us. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and make sure that you click the bell to receive our notifications when a new video comes out. Please be sure to give us a thumbs up, comment, and share the video.
Comment, comment, comment.
Comment, comment, comment.
3 times.
Good, bad, indifferent, whatever.
Ask a question.
Ask a question. I was
Tell us
just
a
gonna
story.
say that.
I like stories.
Yeah, especially when, you know, if something that we say relates, let us know. Last Saturday we did our chat video and we did it from inside because it was not a pleasant day outside. Well, in the morning anyway, to be able to go and do videos. You did some maintenance on the rig. I did some cleaning because we had just gotten here on Friday, so just kind of finishing setup and cleaning stuff, and then it turned out to be a beautiful day, and so we just kind of spent some outside time. Walking around, sitting in our lawn chairs, you know, full-timer life.
Yeah.
Only some days it's like that.
Know what we mean, Vern?
Only some days it's like that. So I was a bad girl and didn't complete my board every day, so it was trying to remember what day what happened, so it could be kind of scattered.
God, this is...
I know.
You are...
I'm fired.
You are the typical radio listener who gets one of those rating sheets that you're supposed to fill out every day for 7 days.
That's a pain.
And
you only get $1 to do
and then
that,
at the end of the week, you sit down in the kitchen and you go, okay, who did I listen to and for how long? I think I listened from here to here. I'll just draw a line from here to here.
Those things are supposed to be accurate? Yeah, and they only send you $1, so is a whole week's worth of every minute worth $1?
Golly!
Can you tell somebody's in the radio business?
God!
Well, it was. We had some rain and wind.
You better be thankful. That's what got us here.
It is. It is.
Got us here in a wash.
All I said was, you can tell somebody's a radio guy. So we had some rain and wind. Bear, no rocks. She's right down here, and the wash is full of rocks.
She loves it because all the rocks are clean because they've been washed.
You just went like this. You just took the words right out of my mouth. You knew it too. So since it wasn't the best weather, it was a perfect time to get some work done. So I worked like 4 days this week.
Yeah, you did.
And pretty much all day. But you know, it's kind of cool. I just work that, and then I get to do all my housework after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I just supervise.
Well, you do your work too. So, you know, you do your hobby, which is the YouTube, and then you've got your radio work, and then...
It's Dusty over here.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, right. Right. His arms and legs are not broken. If he sees a cobweb, he doesn't go get it. He waits around and then he says, "Oh, by the way, did you see that cobweb up there?" It's like, you saw it. Why didn't you get it?
There might be a cob living up there.
There
and
might
I don't like
be.
them.
There might be. There might be a cob. Yes. And I know you don't like spiders. You don't do spiders and snakes.
I don't do spiders and cobs.
However, when it is nice out, we have been taking advantage of that free power using solar. We love it. The day that it was raining, I was working, and on my window right there where I work, I have a hummingbird feeder attached to the window. Thank you, Barbara Smith. And there was a different bird. Actually, I saw it across the wash in the trees, and I'm like, I haven't seen that kind of bird around here. And then I noticed it was a hummingbird, had, the long beak. And then he came to the feeder, and it was a rufous hummingbird. Most of the hummingbirds around here are Anna's hummingbirds, but this one was brown, kind of reddish brown.
What kind of bird was it?
A rufous hummingbird.
Tell me something good. Rufus, tell me something good. Okay, go on.
Anyway, he was just lovely. He had a different color around his throat that shone, and it was orange and yellow and just
Beautiful.
It
was a beautiful bird.
It was so pretty. And that was the only day I saw him. He hasn't been around since. So
Can we show
he's
the picture of the bird?
Migrating. Yeah, go ahead.
There's the bird.
Isn't he pretty?
There's the bird.
Oh my gosh. Tuesday was our little granddaughter's birthday. She turned 5. 5. Salem is 5, our youngest and our only girl. We wished her a happy birthday last Saturday.
Wow, she's 5. Do you realize how old Ashley is now?
I know.
Holy moly.
I know. You know how much that makes us?
She's climbing, and I quit.
Oh.
I quit counting. She's climbing the ladder.
She is. Oh, she passed that 30 point last year. Yep. And then Wednesday, we had a nice surprise. We're sitting outside, and all of a sudden, this big Class A comes to turn in, and he was coming down from the north. And just at that time, I picked up my phone to look and see where Dave was.
And I'm like, oh my God, who's coming in here with a big Class
Who's that
A?
coming in here? And I went, I hadn't even pulled open the app yet to see, because Dave and Dawn and I share Life 360, so it shares our location. So I get on the phone, I'm just getting ready to look at the phone, and Tom's like, hey, who's that? It was Dave coming in. So he came and hung out with us for a couple days. His in-between parks. He had been in Palm Springs, and he was headed to...
someplace in Yuma.
Yeah, to one of the places in Yuma. So, so we had his company for a couple of days. Bear was so excited.
Oh, yeah.
Tom says, there's Uncle Dave, and her ears perked up, and she was like, Uncle Dave's here. We will show you the picture of what she looked like when Uncle Dave left.
Oh my gosh.
She was sad. On Thursday, so Wednesday, Dave gets here. He puts his flag up. We have our American flag up. And so he put his flag up. So we're standing around, and we're talking and stuff, and we're watching the air activity. And
the helicopters, the ospreys.
Yep, even some jets now and then. Yeah. We don't usually see them. We hear them a lot.
We see them all the time here because we are just north of the Mexican-U.S. border.
Oh, the helicopters.
Where the wall is. We are, 6 to 9 miles north of that. So there's quite a bit of air activity in this area.
Yeah, and it's not just that. It's that, there's a Marine station at the airport. So, but anyway, so we're watching, and there's these 5 helicopters that are south of us, and I posted it on our Facebook, the video, so you should go check it out on Facebook. But something incredible happened, and it was really fun and really cool.
Yeah. You want to know what it is? Go to our Facebook page, Tom and Lori RV Life.
And there's a video there.
It's an incredible video.
Yep, it was pretty fun. So Thursday, we went over to Bob and Pearl's. We had some mail to pick up. And we wanted to see them again before we all left the area. Dawn is going to be heading east, And we don't know where he's going to stick around here until it's nice and hot.
He said,
and
I'm going to
there's
stay.
no more snow north.
I'm staying here till it's 100 degrees. Then I'm leaving this year. He's going to make sure there's no snowflakes.
That's right, no snowflakes. Yeah, so he's going to stay down here. But it's that time of year when we all start heading our different ways. Hopefully we'll get to see Bob and Pearl up in the Reno area. We have some plans with them. But speaking of Don, check out his videos. Will you please put a link to his YouTube channel?
I will do that.
Cowboy Biker
in the
Adventures.
description.
So he does really good, detailed videos of places that he visits. And he works hard on these. And one of the videos that he's got out there, he's giving away a $50 Walmart card. So go watch his videos, and all you got to do is comment, right?
Yeah, you got to find the Bigfoot.
Oh, that's right. Count the Bigfoots. So it's in his Bigfoot video.
Count them up.
And he's giving away $50 Walmart cards.
We'll link that particular video.
Cool. Go check it out.
Okay.
I was going to make them watch all the videos and make sure to
Oh,
try
we're not
and
going to
find
link that video. We're just going to link his channel.
his channel. Then you got to go
You have to find the video,
Yep.
and then you have to find the Bigfoot.
Then you have to find how many Bigfoots are in that video. Yep. All right. So we had a great time. We played Mexican Train. We had a bunch of snacky foods and just had a great time. We always enjoy Bob and Pearl's. Thank you so much for your hospitality all the time.
Yeah.
We love hanging out with you guys.
Yes, we do.
And it was even extra fun with Dave and Dawn with us too. And then yesterday, Dave left. Like I said, he was only here a couple of days, and then he headed off. And little Miss Bear, for as happy as she was when he came, she was just as sad when he left.
You could just see it in her face, in her eyes.
I took a picture of her.
It's like, oh my gosh, look at this.
Yep.
It's
So
just
she
sad
loves Uncle
puppy.
Dave. So she loves Uncle Don too, boy.
Yeah.
Because we gave Dave a ride and picked up Dawn to go head over to Bob and Pearl's, and of course Bear was with us, so she's sitting in the middle. She was snuggling up to Dawn.
Yeah.
She's like, Dave, I get you all the time. Not that she loves you any less. That's definitely not the case. We had to order something from Leisure Coach Works for our rig, and our parts guy there, our friend Conrad, last time I talked to him, he had just been in a multi-car pileup, and he was in the middle. So he got hit from behind several times and crashed into the people in front of him. And it was not a good thing. He said it wasn't even during bad weather.
Yeah.
He says there was no excuse for it. It was like two cars up from him, slammed on their brakes, then the person in front of him slammed on his, and then it just, chain reaction of a pile up.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, so he got hit multiple times, and he was not feeling good. Please keep him in your thoughts that nothing bad is long term. He's doing okay. He is at work, but he might have some chiropractic care going on for quite a while. So hopefully that's all it is. But keep him in your thoughts for us. So we love you, Conrad.
Yes,
hope
we
you
do.
Feel better soon. So that's kind of about it. We hope to be here at least another week, right?
At least another week. My weeks are 3 days long, so I would say yes, at least another week we're here.
Yeah.
And after that 3-day week is up, then I look at the next 3-day week. We live full-time RV life 3 days at a time. We don't really make reservations going forward like a lot of folks do.
Yeah, not way out. I mean, like Gary and Carol, boy, they're planned out for the next 2 years.
We love to just go.
Well, that has changed. So we are into our 8th year of full-timing. And in the very beginning, you had to have reservations everywhere. You had to know where we were going, which route we were taking, what gas station we were stopping at. You had it planned out months in advance. Had to be at RV parks. And boy, things have changed in all that time.
I like being out here.
Yeah.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yes, that has definitely changed for you now too.
Yes, it has.
Thank you to Becky and Myron. You guys are the ones that got us doing
my gosh.
that. So, Anyway, that's kind of wraps up that last week.
Yeah.
Nothing
Catches you up with us.
We were working a lot this past week, so this week hopefully not as much work.
Just kind of kick back.
Yeah.
Hey, real quick, our dash cam in the truck fell down. The sticky stuff doesn't stick anymore. Do you guys have any suggestions on how to put some type of adhesive on the suction cup?
Yeah, the suction cup isn't one of those really good strong ones that came with this. It had a sticky goo stuff that was on there, but as the heat on the windshield, it just started sliding and just had all that gunk on the window.
And it kind of melted part of it.
So we cleaned the window off, and there was still a bunch of sticky goo on the suction cup, but it's not enough. It's not staying.
And it won't stick. So you got any suggestions? I was thinking Velcro. Velcro on the window, Velcro on the back of the camera, and put it up there like that. But I don't know. It may not stay in the heat or anything like that. But if you've got suggestions, let us know below how we can duct tape it together.
That might be what happens. Because we need to have that on there.
Yes.
So for an interim, until we can find a good solution, it just might be duct taped up there.
How is it again? Yeah, that's a great one right there. Do it again.
Oh yeah, thumbnails. I always have to watch what faces I make because he's going to use that as a thumbnail. We hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and we will see ya next Saturday.
See ya.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
See ya, she knows. We say see ya, and she looks up like, oh, it's time for breakfast.
Let's go eat. Come on, Bear. Let's go eat. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go eat.